Okay, so today we are making an omniwing airplane. So, I know this angle is screwed up, but it's the best I can do. So you're going to need Scotch tape, prefer refillable dispenser, 3 milliliters, scissors, and a sheet of paper. So, you're going to fold it this way, not this way, this way. Hamburger style, if you know what that means. Basically, you're going to match up the edges evenly. Crease it. Now you're going to want to unfold it. And then you're going to fold this edge to the center line. Like this. Make a little pinch. Match it up evenly, make a little pinch here. You don't want to fold it. This is going to mess up everything later. Same with the other side. Fold it to the center line. Make a little pinch. And now you want to take this edge and line it up with the little pinch line. Crease it. Do the same to the other side. Crease it. And now I'm going to take this edge and at the nose you're going to line it up, but then you're going to kick it out a few degrees. Crease it. Then you want to fold the paper in half, the back side, match the outline, crease, and you're going to duplicate what you did on one side to the other side. Okay. And fold the top to match up with the sides of this. And now, what you're going to want to do is do the same fold along the previous fold, kick it out a few degrees, flip this on the back, line up the edges, and now you're going to flip it one side to the other side. The reason I'm folding it back is you're not going to guarantee that you're going to get it perfectly matched if you do it on one side. So, see here, I got it perfect. Okay, and now here's where tape comes in handy. We're going to make a little angle of incidence in the wing. So basically, we're going to take Scotch tape, then to rotate and twist the wing. Now it's going to take several tries. I know it took me several tries to do it. And once you get the hang of this, it'll make for a very good flying wing. Twist, rotate. And it'll come out like that. Do the same on the other side. Scotch tape. Yeah, tape's one of these stupid. Okay. Now, fold this in half. Match up the edges carefully. Now, you want to mark the halfway. Basically, you're going to get like this. Oh, it's not very. Basically, you're going to get something like this with refined airfoils. You feel this already. Alright. So, you're going to cut off this excess paper. You're going to cut off an inch lengthwise. No, widthwise, or whatever it is. Cut off about an inch. Fold one edge, one half to the center line. Same with the other. You're going to fold this in half. You're going to get like this. Now, what you want to do, tape this exactly onto the center line, otherwise the plane's just going to go all over when you fly it. I've had that happen before, and it is not pretty. It's not a flying wing if you don't have it matched to the center line. Fold the tape. And with the other excess stuff, you're going to want to, this is going to be the edges of the plane. Like this. And put tape on half of it, so half of it's sticking out like this. And you're going to take this end right here, and that's going to be part pointed to the nose. You're going to put it all the way onto the nose, so it'll give a nice even balance to your flying wing. Fold the excess tape over, from the front side. Be sure not to take out the twist in your wing. It will screw up everything and your plane will not fly. Because the twist in the wing basically provides the lift. And yeah, your plane will just literally fall out of the sky. You don't have any lift because airplanes need lift to fly. Yeah. This is a very tricky plane to make, but once you got the hang of it, you will be able to do the advanced omniwing, which I don't know how to do still. You have to go. I will give the link, and you can look up on that. He's a better teacher than I am, but I've learned from him. I will give you the link to the website. Half. Just the edge up to the leading edge of the wing. Side. Do not take the twist out of your wing. You will regret it. You will regret it later, as I have before. Other wing should start looking like this. Now, to clean up the aerodynamics, you want to put some tape at the edge of the wing, like on the nose. You fold it over. And what I personally find is that if you fold the plane in half, the wings will create more lift. I don't know how, but it does. And here you have a flying wing. I'll take this for a test flight. Let's see. Look at the lighthouse. And there you have the prototype omniwing. Well, not prototype, but the omniwing.